Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix too many attempts on Telegram. First, don't panic. This error is temporary and meant to protect your account. The most important step is to wait. Close the Telegram app and wait at least 24 hours before trying again. Trying again too soon can reset the timer and make the wait longer. Next, do not keep waiting. Verification code request many code quickly is the main reason this error appears. While waiting, check your phone number and make sure you are using the correct country code and entering the right phone number. After waiting, open Telegram again and try logging in only once. Enter the code carefully when it arrives. If you don't receive the code by SMS, wait for the call option to appear instead of requesting another code right away. Also, make sure your internet connection is stable using Wi-Fi or strong mobile data to avoid failed attempt login. You can contact Telegram support and explain that are stuck with the too many attempts error on iPhone. And that's it. That's all for today's video, guys. If you found this video helpful, drop a like and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.